Sir, purchase or sale of a property, how we can show in that?
See, generally there is no option to disclose there is no detailed option to disclose the sale, purchase, sale of property
Okay.
in an income tax return. But if the purchase value or sale value above 30 lakhs, the PAN number will give to the sub-registrar office, and they will forward it to the income tax department. This is a transaction entered into. When you are filing income tax return, you have to say, you purchase the property, you need not explain because there is no you have to explain the source. How you have, what is the source for purchase of the property. And if you are sold, whether you declare the capital gains on the sale of property or not.
Okay.
That is important. If when you are selling the property, you declare the sale of property, capital gains on sale of property, that is sufficient. General department will not ask further.
Sir, investment in fixed deposit. A person, up to how many lakhs he can do?
I think generally it is more than 10 lakhs. Generally, the cash deposits.
Okay.
Fixed deposit, savings account also, fixed deposits also. For transfers, there is no problem.
Okay.
You can deposit whatever you want. But for the cash deposit, there is a problem. They will ask, hey, how have you got this cash amount? How you have deposited? Maybe fixed deposits, government savings certificates,
Okay.
shares or bonds. Any savings called about 10 lakhs will be asked by the income tax department.
In one bank, sir, or in all?
All banks put together with one PAN card.
Okay, yeah.
Only one income for every income tax base. Only one card is a base. PAN card is basis, not the number of accounts.
Okay. So
Even if you have 10 accounts, but one PAN card means the 10 accounts are all put together, all one side only. So you cannot say separately.
if they exceed, we will get notice, sir.
Yes, they will ask for notice, and then we have to explain them. If they are not satisfied, they will why don't you file your return of income? After filing the return of income, they will ask for the details required. And if they are not satisfied, they will pass the assessment order based on the demand. If we don't accept that assessment order, we can go for appeal.
Okay.
And before appeal, the income tax department says you pay 20% of the disputed tax. Means whatever the demand raised. And even if we are not satisfied with the income tax appeal also, so sometimes department will win, we don't accept it.
Okay.
Department can go to tribunal, our taxpayer also can go to tribunal if he is not satisfied.
Sir, when it comes to foreign travel transactions and all, also, sir, is there any limit for that, sir?
If you are going for any foreign travel, any expenditure more than 1 lakh.
Okay.
If you have spent more than 1 lakh, because when you are going foreign countries, you have to buy foreign exchange.
Yes.
You have to pay the amount.
Yes.
And if the purchase value of that foreign exchange more than 1 lakh, income tax department will call for the details.
Okay.
And even if you don't have any income, if you are foreign travel expenditure more than 1 lakh,
okay,
you have to file your return of income.
Next goes to investment shares and bonds, sir. So how much limit it should be, sir?
Only 10 lakhs.
Okay.
About 10 lakhs invested, maybe cash or transfer, anything. All these details will go to income tax department by the SEBI, NSDL, CSDL.
Yes.
Those deal with all these demat accounts.
Okay.
And they will forward the details to income tax department every 6 months.
Okay.
What are the shares purchased, what are the shares sold, and if you have sold the shares, when you have declared the capital gains on the sale of shares, or if you purchase the details, whether you have sufficient source of income or not. That's different. Suppose you have purchased the shares of 1 crore. It is received by income tax department that you have purchased so 1 crore shares. So what is your source of income? Your income is only 10 lakhs, but you have purchased 1 crore. They'll ask what is the source for that. If you have already filed returns earlier years, you have to explain them. Then only they will be less problem. Otherwise, they will issue further notices.
Okay. Sir, now we have spoken that fixed deposit 10 lakhs and this is also 10 lakhs. Means it's that is different and this is different, sir? Or it should be between?
But sometimes one may be covering all the aspects.
Okay.
Individual also, even if costs 10 lakhs in shares, that is notice can come. If you deposit more than 10 lakhs in fixed deposits, that also may come.
Okay.
If you cross cash deposits in savings account, 10 lakhs also may come. And if all put together also, if you cross means, it will come.
So,
So this is
putting amount in bank is, that is not we
not
want.
risky. They will ask what is the source for that income,
Oh,
whether tax paid money or tax not paid
not
money.
paid money.
Tax not paid means black money. So for this purpose, what they will ask is every detail they will ask, and we have to file the details with evidence. Whether the department accept or not, that is different. But the evidence is important. Based on the evidence, the department accepted, stop the complete the assessment. If they are not satisfied, they will pass the assessment order, but is the demand.
Sir, many people give gift like cash and all. So, how much amount it should be gifted?
50,000
Okay.
for related person, unrelated persons.
Okay.
There is no relation between
One and
person, donor and donee. So up to 50,000 can give.
Okay.
Maybe cash or transfer anything.
Okay.
If it is more than 50,000, it is taxable in the hands of the recipient.
Okay.
If a person, non-related person is given 1 lakh to other person, and he has to pay tax on 50,000 after exempting 50,000. Means 50,000 rupees will be considered as his income.
Okay.
And if it is related person, who is related person?
Related
Person's father,
mother.
son, daughter-in-law, daughter, son-in-law, and grandson, grandchildren, their spouses. They are related persons. If any amount received from the related persons will not be considered for as gift.
Okay.
If it is an unrelated person, amount received from unrelated person above 50,000 will be considered as gift and taxable as income.
So, amount received from one person, how much amount it should be, sir?
Up to 50,000 is not taxable.
Okay.
If it is a gift.
Okay.
For transfers, there is no limit. You can
Okay.
transfer as much amount as you like. The only thing is it should be tax paid money. It should be tax paid money.
Okay.
And you have to explain that this is already source tax that will be paid. That is the amount. Out of that income only, I am transferring this amount.
Right. And in a single day, how much amount a person should get and how much amount a person should send?
2 lakhs.
Okay, not
2
more
lakh-
than 2 lakhs.
Not more than 2 lakhs.
It may be cash deposit also, sir.
Cash, anything.
Anything.
First, maybe single transaction or more than one transaction, 10 transactions like that with the same person. Same person, more than 10 lakh, 2 lakh be in cash. Recipient or payment.
Yes. What are the main, few points?
What the important point is you have to verify your bank account regularly, and you have to find out the sources which are taxable and which are income leviable taxes. Then you file your return of income compulsory. If your income exceeds 4 lakhs according to your books of accounts, you file your return of income. Though you need not be able to pay any tax up to 12 lakhs, but you have to file your return of income. Means 4 lakhs per annum means it comes to 36,000, like 37, 36, 37, 35, 36,000 per month.
Yes.
Not even 36, it will come 30
No,
to
sir.
33,
Nearly 30 to 35.
30 to 30,000 will come. You have to pay tax.
Okay. On that, we have to pay the tax.
Above, if it crosses more than 4 lakhs, let it be capital gain, let it be salary, let it be income, let it be promotion income, anything. You have to file your return of income. And if you want a refund also, even if you are not taxable, income is not taxable, but TDS is there, you have to want to refund. You have to file return of income. Otherwise, there is no way you can get back the money from the department. Your bank passbook is your mirror. Based on that, you report transactions, income, arrive the income, arrive the nature of transactions, then expenditure to that, then net income, tax there, you pay the tax, advance tax, or above 10% per annum is advance tax. If not, you have to pay tax as per this, and less the TDS, what has been deducted. If you are clear, there is no problem with the department. If you are not clear, if you are not filing return with the full details, with evidence, department suspect. They'll issue another notice. It is not that much easy to escape from the department, unless you have confidence that it is correct one. And one more thing, if you give false particulars or wrong evidences or fake claims, it's very difficult to escape from the department because the department is having every information what is your transaction.